Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody, today we're going to learn how to draw a Goomba. So I hope you'll follow along with us.
You need a pencil, a marker, and something to draw with.
Yeah, so let's get started.
Here we go!
Okay, first we're going to start with our sketch. So we're going to come up here at the top and do kind of a rounded shape. And come down around and it curves up. I'll let you catch up. Yep. Come around and do this lump. And then it curves back up. Perfect. And then down again. And then up.
Okay.
Like that. Yep, perfect. It's looking great. Okay, now we're gonna do his face. So we'll do a line for this frown. Perfect. And then two sharp teeth. Two sharp teeth, perfect. Next, give our character some eyes. I'm gonna scoop mine. I don't want my eyes to be touching, so I'm gonna space it out a little bit.
Step.
That's okay. I mess up all the time. Cool, that looks great. Let's do his eyebrows now. It has these two lines curved like that. And then this big angry eyebrow shape. And then one on this side too. Perfect. Now we'll add some pupils right here. And one here as well. And now we're gonna move down to his body. He has a line right here. And then kind of an oval shoe. And then we'll draw another oval shape inside the shoe for the bottom of the foot. Perfect. And then we'll go up. And then we'll do an oval right here for this foot on this side. Okay, and that's it. Now all we have to do is ink it and then color it. So we'll take our Sharpie marker and let's start with, I think I'm gonna start with the eyebrows. We'll do these two middle parts. And then we'll trace all the way around our eyebrow shape and then we're gonna fill them in with black. Fill it in. Doing good. Is this one easy?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, now we're gonna do his eyes. And fill in his pupils. Good job. What we'll do is frown. And then his sharp teeth.
Okay.
And now the head shape will go all the way around. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Now his body. Shoe. And his other shoe. We got it! And there's this whole outline. Now we get a color.
Okay.
So it's up to you to pick the colors you want. And we'll just try to fill them in. So I'm gonna start with his head shape. And we don't want to color his eyes or his teeth in. We want to leave those white. But the rest of the head we're gonna fill in. Good job. Awesome.
Then the body.
Yep. Then we're doing the body. And I'm gonna use the same color I'm using for my body for the bottom of the foot. It's looking really good.
And this.
And then his little shoes. The little feetsies.
Mm-hmm.
Almost there. And there we have a Goomba. You did such a good job following along, Stetson.
Thanks, Bubba. I had a good time.
I'm so glad. I hope you guys will come back really soon so we can draw more characters. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.